A happy morning, children. Today, you are going to work on pivot creations and animations. The next level of the pivot creations. Here, you are going to create your own stick figure from step 1 onwards. And you are going to animate them. Come, let's get into the class now. Children, click on the Play Store from your mobile screen. In the search box, type Stickman Animations. You can find list of app in the group. Select Stickman Animator. Children, select Stickman Animator and install in your mobile phone. After installing, click on back button and come to your screen, children. You can find the icon or the symbol of the installed app. Click on it, children. The app gets opened now. Children, you can find buttons here. What is buttons? When you click on the button, it will you refer to the next page. பட்டன்றது அது மேலே நம்ம கிளிக் பண்ணும் போது அது வந்து இன்னொரு பேஜுக்கு நம்மளை எடுத்துகிட்டு போகும். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் வந்து buttons. So, pivot animator, pivot creator, download pivot. Here we are going to see now pivot creator. Click on it, children. Now we are going to create our own stick figures. Let's see the tools. Here you can see tools are placed in an icon format. Okay, so each tool has a sub tools. Click and see, children. Each tool has a sub tools. When you select a color, you can select and click accept and you can move, children. So under line tool, you can see sub tools. Again move, thickness, just click and see, children. And here you are going to use delete to delete the stick figure part or fully stick figure you can delete. Then here undo button. Undo means it will delete the current action. It will take you to the previous action. புரியுதுங்களா children? அண்டுன்றது வந்து என்னது கரண்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் ஆக்ஷனை வந்து டெலீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு முன்னாடி இருக்க ஆக்ஷனை நமக்கு ஸ்க்ரீனில் காட்டும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு யூஆர் பிளாக்கிங் த ஸ்டிக் ஃபிகர் அண்ட் ஹியர் யூஆர் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷிங். யூஆர் கெட்டிங் த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டிக் ஃபிகர் பார்ட். Then to the right corner you can find 3 sleeping line. Click and see, children. When you click, you can see the menus. You can see the menus. New means it will get open a new file. புதுசா ஒரு ஃபைல் உங்களுக்கு ஓப்பன் பண்ணி காட். I mean the white area. This canvas will be new. Plain sheet will be shown here. Open means you're opening the existing file. ஏற்கனவே சேவ் பண்ண ஃபைலை நம்ம ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறோம். அதுதான் existing. Then save. You're saving the current file. Current working file. நீங்கள் ஒர்க் பண்ண ஃபைலை நீங்கள் சேவ் பண்ணி வைக்கிறீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து savers. You're saving the file with twice or thrice with different names. ஓகேங்களா? நீங்கள் வந்து சேம் ஒர்க்கிங் ஃபைலை வந்து 2 times-ஓ 3 times-ஓ different file nameல சேவ் பண்ணால் you have to click on savers. Then under option you are going to set up the grid and shadows. This all set in default. Just click on accept and you come out from the screen, children. The next one, help. You can get a help about the tools from the app. Is that clear, children? So wherever you can see these options, new, open, save, savers, it's all help. It's all for same purpose. Not only in this application, whichever application you studied before or in the classroom, you can see this option. It's all used for the same purpose. Is that clear, children? The next one, the white area. White area is the canvas area where you are going to create or draw your stick figures. Okay, come, let's start now. You all familiar that circle is represented by head. Now I'm going to create a stick man. I'm going to select a circle tool. So when you click, it will get selected here. So come to the drawing canvas, children. In the middle of the canvas, click and drag. Click பண்ணி இழுங்க children. கிளிக் பண்ணி நீங்கள் இழுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே 2 டாட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? இதில் இந்த க்ரீன் டாட் வந்து எதை மீன் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா, இதிலிருந்து நம்ம இன்னொரு பார்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டிக் ஃபிகரை நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் a linking to another part of the stick figure. So now I am going to create a body. Body is represented by straight line. Have you all remember, children? So I am going to select a line tool. So click and drag. Come to canvas area and touch the green dot and click and drag, children. Click and drag. Then I am going to create a hand. I am going to use same tool. Click and drag, children. Click and drag. Click and drag. Okay. Now again I am going to use same line tool to create a leg. All clear, children? Click and drag. Now I am going to change to circle tool. Here just observe it, children, where the green dot goes. From there you have to start your another part of the stick figure. Okay, to the leg I am going to select line 3 tool. Click and drag, children. See, when you made a mistake, just click a undo. Click a undo and see it gets removed now. Now again I am going to work with the leg. Okay, so the stickman is ready now. You can save them. Go to right corner, the sleeping light, click on it. Click on save. Here in the input box you have to type your file name. So I am going to click save as a stickman. Stickman. Okay, then you have to click on accept button. So the file gets saved now. So அதனுடைய file name என்னமா stickman. So file name என்னங்க stickman. Okay, now I am going to animate. So click on back button. Here we are come to home screen now. Click on pivot animator. Again we can see the tools here. Add tool is used to bring the stick figures from your folder into the canvas. Okay, you're deleting it. You're deleting the stick figure if you don't want, and you're moving from place to place. Undo is you're deleting the current action and going for the previous action and blocking the stick figure not to access by others, and rotating the stick figure. And here orientation, you changing the direction of the stick figure. Then the 3 sleeping line, click and see, children. You can see the menus. Already all familiar. You all familiar about new, open, save as. And here once you complete create animation, you can export the file. And here options, again you have to set the grid, shadow, everything. Just leave it as a default setup. Click accept and come out. Then here help. Okay, it's all over now. In the bottom also you can set up the x and y axis. Just leave as a default setup, children. So just you can hide it. Then here in the bottom you can find plus symbol and into symbol. I mean you are going to create a frames. Each frame has actions. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ரேம்லேயும் நம்ம ஆக்ஷன்ஸாக வந்து செட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ரேமும் வந்து என்ன வச்சுருக்கு, ஒவ்வொரு ஆக்ஷனை வச்சுருக்கு. ஸோ குரூப் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரேம்ஸ் தான் நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறோம், அனிமேஷன்ஸாக க்ரியேட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இந்த ப்ளஸ் பட்டனை யூஸ் பண்ணி we are going to create we are adding the frames. Then into symbol use பண்ணி you're deleting, you're removing the unwanted frames. And here the play button is used to run your animations. Is that clear, children? So each frame has actions. So group of frames creates a animation. Come, let's bring the stickman into the canvas. Click add button, children. So we have saved as a stickman. Click on it and say accept. So the stickman gets opened now. You can see, children, orientation, you can change the direction. So whatever the action you do, you must select a stickman. ஸோ எந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தையும் செய்யறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இங்கே மேலே இருக்க டூல்ஸு இந்த ஸ்டிக்மேன் மேலே அப்ளை பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கணும், அந்த ஸ்டிக்மேனை செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். ஸோ செலக்டடாக அன்செலக்டடான்றது எப்படி நீங்கள் பார்ப்பீங்க, அதை சுற்றி க்ரீன் கலர் லைன்ஸ் இருக்குது பார்க்குறீங்களா, க்ரீன் கலர் பாக்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ விச் மீன்ஸ் த ஸ்டிக்மேன் இஸ் selected now. Okay va? So you can move from place to place. Okay, then you can change the direction by clicking orientation. See, just to see, children, the direction is get changed. Okay, now I'm going to rotate the stickman. Okay, so click rotate button, then add frame. Just move first. Click on add frame, children, plus button. Again move the stickman. Click on plus button. Move the stickman, children. Click on plus button. Click on plus button. Once you change the position of the stickman, click on plus button, children. Okay. Are you observing it, children? What happens here in the screen? Okay. Now we are in the original place. Okay, now we can see number of frames. I have 12 frames. Okay, now click play button and run and see, children. See, the stickman is get rotating. Is that clear, children? So we have 12 frames to rotate and to create the stickman animations. So you can save this also by clicking menu bar, go to the right corner. So click save button, type in the input box the name which you prefer. I'm going to say animate1, animation 1. Okay, say accept, children. Click on, once you type the name of the file, click on accept button. Okay, it's get saved now. You can export the file now. Now we are going to we are going for a home screen now. Click on home back button. Here the pivot, download pivot, which means you can see a list of stickman, ready-made stickman. Okay, just this is for a helping children, for the beginners. So you can look at this images and you can create a stick figures. Okay, you can just observe it and you can create. This is just for your help. Okay, in which way we all can create a stick figures. Okay, just you can view. If you want to install, if you want this figure in your application, I mean in your canvas, you can download them. It will come to your pivot created. Okay va? Now it is downloaded. Animal1 is downloaded. It will be shown in the pivot created. So you can see number of figures. You can just get an idea and you can create it, children. After downloading, click on OK button. Now we have come to home screen. Now the animal1, I mean the dog will be added into pivot created. So click on pivot created and you are bringing that in your canvas. Come, let's, where you have to open the existing one, you have to go to the menu bar and say open. See, the animal is downloaded into your pivot created folder. Okay, click animal1 and say accept. So the dog is brought, the animal1 is brought. You can make a changes also, you can save and you can animate them also. Is that clear, children? Hope You can understand now. Have a fun. Thank you all.